We guide you through how to connect Shopify to Facebook. So, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to settings and click on apps and sales channels. Click Shopify App Store and search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Then install the official app. Once installed, click Start Setup and log into your Facebook account. Make sure you have a Facebook Business Manager, a Facebook page, and an ad account ready because you'll need to connect all three. Select the correct business manager, choose your Facebook page, then connect your ad account and Facebook pixel. If you don't have a pixel yet, Shopify can create one for you automatically. After that, review your data sharing settings. Choose standard or enhance depending on your needs. Then confirm the finish setup. And finally, go to sales channels. Make sure Facebook is active and wait for your products to sync. Once approved, your Shopify store will be connected to Facebook and you are ready to start running ads and selling directly to your Facebook shop.